Halo Miss.
Hello, good morning Kak Titi. How are you today?
Hello, morning. I've just finished breakfast.
Oh, you just had breakfast.
Yes,
I just had breakfast. Bisa pakai
I
yang
had just
ya
breakfast.
had just I just had breakfast. Jadi baru aja selesai makan.
Mm-mm.
I just had breakfast. Okay. Okay, and then how about last week? Do you have any plan? Last
Mm,
weekend?
Last weekend I stayed home because
Mm-hmm.
apa ya? Mager tuh apa Miss? Males.
Oh, because yeah,
I'm
I
too
don't really
lazy.
want to. Yeah, I'm too lazy to go out, bisa?
Yes, I'm too lazy to go out.
Okay. Yeah, great. So, last time I chat you in
Mm-mm.
the one about the homework, right? It's not homework, it's like a review. It's like the article,
Mm-mm.
the story that you
Yes.
can read, right? So, if you choose any of that story,
I choose first star IC tonight.
oh, first time I see tonight. Okay, great. Have you read the story?
Yes, I have
Mm-hmm.
read. I have read.
You have read that. How about what's your opinion? Is it
Tentang
is it easy
buat
to read? Hmm?
sekilasnya sih tentang eksperimen apa ya itu?
Okay, about the scientific experiment. Scientific
Scientific
experiment.
experiment about
Mm-hmm.
star.
Have you read a whole story? The whole story?
Uh, I read all of this story. Cuma ya ngerti sekilas aja gitu Miss artinya.
Okay, I read a whole story. A whole story itu artinya
I
keseluruhan.
Oh yes, I read a whole story.
Okay, you read a whole story. Okay, great. So before that, we will review some vocabularies here
Mm-mm.
that we will use in the story. But I think it will be easier because you have read a whole story.
Mm-mm.
Okay, start from here. Can you read this?
Wait. Preparation.
A large machine.
A large machine that does physics experiment with particles, small pieces that everything is maksudnya gimana itu Mas?
Ini kita nyari sinonimnya atau arti dari vocabnya gitu.
Oh, maksudnya jawabannya yang di atas itu.
Jawabannya kita pilih di atas ini.
Oh gitu. A large machine that does physics experiment with particle.
Mhm.
Particle accelerator.
Ya, particle accelerator.
Accelerator.
Ya, a particle accelerator. Okay, next.
Particle accelerator. To
Yeah,
say that someone broke the law. To say that someone broke the law. To say
broke the law. What the meaning of broke the law?
broke the law. Hukum.
Broke the law berarti apa?
Cacat hukum nggak sih?
Tidak mematuhi hukum atau apa? Melanggar
Nah,
hukum.
nah, melanggar
Berarti
hukum.
ini berarti to say. Ini berarti adalah ada to-nya di depan, berarti ini verb.
Verb.
Kita cari yang verb di sini.
Guilty.
Guilty verb. Guilty to adverb.
Adverb ya. The procession. Apa sih?
Oke,
To
lihat
charge
ya.
someone
Ya,
with something.
ya,
To charge
yang verb tuh
someone with
cuman to
something.
charge someone with something sama to twinkle. Ini verb. Yang lain
Oh,
bukan verb. Oke, jawabannya to charge someone with something. Charge itu kayak menjatuhi hukuman,
oh
menjatuhi
gitu.
tanggung jawab gitu. Charge, to charge someone with something. Okay, and then
Responsible for breaking a law.
responsible for breaking a law.
Breaking a law. Respon dari hukuman. The
Respon,
prosecution. Bener nggak, Miss?
Prosecution tuh kejaksaan.
Oh,
Kejaksaan
gitu.
kan bukan breaking the law ya?
Oh iya,
Is it?
bukan.
Ya, bukan breaking the
Guilty.
law. Bentar. Wait. Responsible for breaking a law. Membingungkan. Oke, kita pilih yang mana dulu nih? Apa skip dulu? Yang lain dulu?
Wait.
Bisa pas dulu?
Oke, skip dulu deh, Miss.
Oke, skip ya.
Hmm.
A lawyer who try.
A liar who try to show that someone is guilty.
Mhm.
To twinkle.
Lawyer itu adalah apa? Pengacara. Pengacara yang berusaha menunjukkan bahwa seseorang itu salah.
Pengacara yang menunjukkan bahwa seseorang itu salah.
Hmm.
To twinkle.
No, to
Twinkle itu
twinkle
apa
itu
sih?
adalah twinkle little star.
Twinkle
Artinya
little
adalah
star of berkedip.
bintang yang berkelip.
Kelap-kelip begitu.
Twinkle
Photon.
little star. Bintang yang kecil yang berkelap-kelip. It's not about lawyer. It's not about.
To change from. Berarti to twinkle tuh to change from bright to less bright and back again. Boleh acak nggak, Miss?
Iya, boleh. Oke.
To change from bright to less bright and back again, like stars seem
benar.
to do when we look at them.
Ya, twinkle itu yang bawah ya. Oke,
Uh,
great.
A photon, a particle of light.
Oke, a photon is particle of light. Oke.
Bener nggak, Miss?
Ya, benar.
A long metal thing with glass at one end, which people use to look at the stars. A telescope.
Sorry, I can't hear you just now.
A long metal thing with glass at one end, which people use to look at the stars. A telescope.
Yeah, a telescope.
A telescope. A system of millions of stars. A galaxy.
Yeah, a galaxy. Responsible for breaking a law. Breaking a law tadi ya. Nggak mematuhi hukum, melanggar. Berarti kira-kira apa?
Sebentar.
Prosecution itu kejaksaan.
Guilty.
Ya, guilty. Bersalah.
Bersalah.
Bersalah. Oke. And then the lawyer who try to show someone is guilty.
Someone is guilty. The prosecution.
Ya, the prosecution. Ya. Oke, kita cek. Oke, it's all right. Bener ya? It's all correct. Okay, next. We will read the whole story. Okay, Kak Titik can read this paragraph, a whole paragraph, start from here until the points here, over here. Oke, jadi bacanya per paragraf biar bisa ngerti konteksnya. Oke.
Dr. Thomas Treyer looked around the control room at his team of scientists and engineers. He was excited and frightened, but he tried to seem calm. In a few minutes, they might start to discover something amazing, how the universe began. Dr. Thomas Treyer
langsung ke nggak usah diterjemahin, langsung aja.
Oh gitu. He looked out of the window at the beautiful blue summer sky and tried to breathe slowly. Ready, he said. He pressed the first button and the complicated computers and machine came to life. Set, he said. He pressed the second button and switched on the large particle accelerator that lay under the towns and five of Switzerland. Go, he said, and at exactly 12 o'clock he pressed the final button. For a second he felt as if he was blind, because everything went completely black. Thomas shot in shock, but the lights were already on again. That was not part of his plan. He had no idea what had just happened. Everybody, check the system, he ordered, but nothing seemed to be wrong with them. The particle accelerator was working perfectly. Thomas, said his assistant, look outside. She sounded afraid. The perfect summer's day of 5 minutes ago had gone. Instead, the sky was darker than the blackest night. But that wasn't the worst thing. The sun wasn't there, and the moon and stars were also gone. People were shouting and screaming. They started calling their families on the telephone because they were afraid they had all gone too. Thomas felt as if it was hard to breathe, but he counted to 10 and tried to breathe slowly. He sat at the main computer and started reading the information and numbers from his experiment, but he couldn't find anything to explain what was happening. He ran out of the exit with the rest of his team until they were all outside the building. Everyone else in the building was outside, frightened and confused. They were using the screens and lights on their mobile phone to see better. Several people got in their cars and turned on light. They drove to the entrance to make a small area of light for everybody to stand together. The street light turned on, but most people were still afraid. Then, almost 20 minutes after Thomas had started the particle accelerator, the sun was in the sky again. It was warm and yellow, and the black sky turned blue again. Everyone started laughing and dancing around, and Thomas felt as if he could breathe normally again. But later, hours later, when the real night began, no one was happy, because although the moon rose again, there were no stars in the sky at all.
Okay. Yeah, some corrections about the pronunciation.
Mhm.
Great, the pace of reading is great. Bisa bacanya udah lancar. Terus pronunciation juga oke. Cuma ada beberapa doang yang salah. Sedikit ya. If he was blind.
Oh, blind.
Blind.
Aku bacanya blind ya, Miss.
Iya, blind.
Blind.
Blind ya. For a second he felt as if he was blind. Dia merasa
He felt
seperti
as he was
buta.
blind. Buta.
As if he was blind.
As
Seperti
if
buta.
he was blind.
He was blind. Then Thomas shouted.
Shouted. Oh ya.
Ya,
Thomas shouted
shouted.
in shock.
Ya, berteriak karena kaget. Dalam kekagetan gitu. Berteriak dalam kekagetan. And then, the perfect summer's day of 5 minutes ago had gone.
Gun. Gun. Gun
Ya,
apa
bukan.
gun, Miss?
Gun.
Gun.
Bukan
Gun.
gone, gun.
Gun. The perfect summer's day of 5 minutes ago had gone.
Ya, ini verb 3 dari apa?
Go.
Ya, go, went, gone.
Mm-mm.
Oke, and then ini ya, jangan lupa. Ini were, bukan where.
Were. Oh ya,
Were.
were.
E-nya kayak
Were.
ke. Kemana? Were.
Were. And the moon
Were
and
ya.
stars were also gone.
Yeah, great. And then ini, but he counted to 10 and tried to breathe. Breathe. E-nya ini nggak dibaca.
Breathe.
Ya,
Oh
breathe.
gitu. Breathe. But he counted to 10 and tried to breathe slowly.
Oh, ya, oke. Ya, try to breath.
Breath.
Breath, E-nya yang belakang dibaca ya breath.
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 but he counted to 10 and tried to breathe slowly.
Ya, breath slowly. Oke. And then ini juga were ya. Were.
Were?
Kayak tadi sama yang ini. Yang ini juga were bacanya. Oke, ingat-ingat were bukan where. Karena kalau where tuh kemana?
Okay.
Where itu kemana? Oke, dari
Where?
passage yang pertama, paragraf yang pertama, udah ngerti semua? Atau masih ada beberapa yang kayak bagian nggak paham bagian ini? Atau gimana?
Apa ya? Jadi kayak dia tuh melakukan eksperimen gitu nggak sih, Miss?
Dia melakukan eksperimen. Tentang apa eksperimennya?
Tentang apa? Kayak lampu atau bintang yang menghilang gitu nggak sih?
Ya, awalnya eksperimen tentang how the universe began ya. Jadi kamu mau
Bagaimana
tahu
alam
tentang
semesta dimulai?
bagaimana alam semesta bisa tercipta, bisa
Gitu.
terjadi.
In a few minutes, they might start to discover something amazing.
Awalnya penelitian tentang itu how the universe began. Tapi ternyata pas dihidupin alatnya, ready, set, go. Ini kayak
Ready,
1,
set,
2,
go.
3 gitu. He press the final button, ternyata tiba-tiba mati semuanya. Terus hilang
Tiba-tiba
ya
completely
bintangnya.
black.
Mm-mm.
Jadi Thomas tuh takut.
Mm-mm.
Jadi Thomas tuh takut. Mana tadi?
Yang di bawah
Kayak
ya.
blank gitu. That was not part of his plan. Itu tuh bukan bagian dari rencananya. He had no
Iya,
idea what had just happened.
iya benar. Jadi
Jadi
kayak
akhirnya dia nggak tahu apa yang terjadi, nggak punya ide.
yes, right. Jadi kayak gitu ya ceritanya ya. Oke. We will move to the next passage. Wait. Ya, sama kayak tadi sampai yang di points ini ya. Wait. Oke.
Wait, Miss.
No one wants it.
No one wants to know what Thomas' work was actually about. They didn't care what the particle accelerator was for. What did that matter? All they cared about was what had happened after he turned the machine on. He had stolen all the stars, or that's what the newspaper said. And when they made him go to the International Criminal Court, they charged him with stealing the stars. Thomas said, I'm not guilty. Well, if you didn't steal the stars, Dr. Strayer, said the lawyer for the prosecution, what did you do? If you are asking about my work, said Thomas, we didn't do anything. We showed that machine was working. That's all. Taking the stars from the sky seemed like nothing to you? The lawyer looked around at the people in the court. No one here would think it's nothing. No one in the world would think it's nothing. That's not what I mean, said Thomas. But I can tell you this. When the machine started, there were suddenly no photons in the test room. What? Photons? We aren't all scientists here. Speak simple English, Dr. Strayer. Light, said Thomas. For just a moment, it was as if there was no light in our laboratory. Then we saw it was also dark outside, until the light became normal again. Normal, Dr. Strayer? It wasn't normal. When? The lawyer checked his note. The sun went out for exactly 16 minutes and 40 seconds. Perhaps we can say the rest of the day was normal, but night hasn't been normal ever since. Has it? Thomas looked sad. I know, but you must believe me. I didn't do anything that could have taken the star from the sky. So, are you saying you didn't steal the star from us? Said the lawyer. No, I didn't steal them, Thomas said. You just made it so that we can't see them anymore. After a long pause, Thomas spoke. Yes, he said. How is that any different? The lawyer asked. Thomas didn't have an answer, not when anyone would understand anyway. And if they understood it, they wouldn't believe him. He had an idea, but it would take years to prove it. Instead, he changed his mind and said, I'm guilty.
Oke. Oke, it's pretty good. Udah bagus juga. Ini cuma dikit banget. Thomas said. Bukan say it,
Sad.
tapi
Oh
said.
ya, sad.
Ya,
Oh,
kita
sad
bilang
ya,
sedih.
lupa.
Ya, Thomas said. Thomas bilang. Ini juga sad ya, kayak sedih. Sad. And then, ini machine.
Machine.
When
Oh
the
ya,
machine
machine.
started.
Machine.
Okay. Yeah.
When
How
the machine
about
started.
this second passage? What is about?
Jadi tidak ada yang tahu sih sebenarnya Thomas tuh ngapain sih. Gitu. Mereka tidak peduli untuk apa akselerator partikel itu tuh untuk apa, pentingnya apa. Cuma yang mereka, maksudnya mereka tuh hanyalah yang terjadi setelah dia menyalakan mesin, kayak bintang-bintang pada hilang gitu. Terus nanti nanti yang muncul di berita tuh apa seperti itu. Tapi Thomas nggak mau ngaku salah kan? Saya tidak bersalah. Nah, jika Anda tidak mencuri bintang-bintang itu, apa yang Anda lakukan? Jadi kayak dia dituntut sama pengacaranya. Itu pengacaranya siapa sih, Miss?
Miss? Can you hear my voice, Kak Titi?
Jadi itu pengacaranya siapa, Miss?
Oh,
The
gimana?
lawyer for prosecution. Maksudnya itu tuh pengacaranya siapa?
Jadi the lawyer itu bentar, lawyer itu pengacara, prosecution itu kejaksaan. Jadi kejaksaan
jaksa
agung
penuntut
gitu.
umum gitu.
Jaksa penuntut umum, ya benar. Lawyer yang dimaksud itu adalah itu.
Oh, berarti ini posisinya dia sudah di apa namanya? Di proses hukum ya?
Iya, di proses hukum. Benar. Kan ini kan and when they made him to go to the International Criminal Court gitu. Udah dikirim ke International Criminal Court.
Oh iya.
Kejaksaan internasional. They charge him with stealing the star. They charge. Tadi charge. Apa? Menjatuhkan hukuman. Menjatuhkan hukuman
They
kepadanya.
charge him with stealing the stars.
Menjatuhkan hukuman atas pencurian bintang. Ya, with stealing the stars. Oke. Jadi di sini tuh dia lagi debat ya sama hakimnya, sama pengacaranya. Gitu, oke.
Pada akhirnya kan Thomas mengaku salah.
Dia bukan mengaku, lebih ke dia nggak tahu mau apa.
Jadi akhirnya terpojok gitu ya, Mas ya?
He had an idea, but it will take years to prove it. Akhirnya dia punya ide, tapi itu tuh akan memakan waktu yang sangat lama untuk bisa membuktikan kalau dia tuh nggak salah gitu sebenarnya.
Oh gitu.
Tuh, makanya dia akhirnya ngaku, oke, I'm guilty. Ya, aku bersalah.
Biar prosesnya cepat gitu ya. Miss, kalau prison sama jail tuh bedanya apa ya? Prison kan penjara.
Jail. Ya, bacanya prison.
Prison ya.
Sama aja artinya penjara. Jadi kalau jail tuh lebih ke arah kayak bangunannya gitu. Maksudnya kayak jeruji besi gitu. Nah, itu jail. Kalau prison tuh lebih ke lembaganya. Kayak rutan gitu. Nah, itu nanti disebutnya prison.
Oh gitu.
Sama aja tapi artinya penjara. Oke. Oke, good. Kita lanjut nih, pendek paragrafnya.
Now, the world could blame someone for what it had lost, but there was no point sending Thomas to prison for years. It wouldn't change anything. Instead, they designed a punishment especially for him. They sent Thomas to work at the extremely large telescope in Paranal in Chile. Nobody used the telescope now. No tourist came to this high mountain to see the edge of our galaxy. No scientist asked for money to study the empty sky. All that passed through the night sky was the lonely moon and a few planets. Looking up made people feel bad. Thomas thought it was fair that they punished him, and the job was almost the same as prison because he was completely alone. After a few years, the world forgot about him, or at least everyone decided to leave him alone. To leave him alone. Every evening he watched the sun go down. The red ball was gone exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds after it actually went behind the earth. Went behind the earth. earth went behind the earth. Thomas was almost happy to know that the laws of physics remained the same. Light still traveled at the same speed as it had always traveled. He hoped it means he hoped it meant he hadn't changed the universe that much. We know there is a speed light travels at, he thought, so perhaps the dark travels at the same speed. Of course, there was no way to prove his idea, not yet, and alone in the mountain. Thomas had nobody to share his idea with anyway.
Oke. Ya.
Jadi
Heeh.
kini dunia hanya bisa menyalahkan seseorang atas kehilangannya, tapi tidak ada gunanya karena kan Thomas sudah dipenjara bertahun-tahun.
Mm-mm.
Jadi itu tidak akan mengubah apapun. Lalu mereka mengirim Thomas ke teleskop itu setelah keluar dari penjara apa
Ini
gimana, Miss?
enggak instead. Jadi kalau misalnya kan nggak ada gunanya Thomas di penjara.
Oh
Karena
gitu.
kayak tidak mengubah keadaan, tidak mengubah bintang. Misalnya Thomas di penjara, terus bintangnya jadi ada lagi kan enggak. Misalnya contohnya pencuri. Kalau pencuri di penjara kan berarti mengurangi orang yang mencuri.
Mm-mm.
Kan mengubah keadaan ya. Karena kayak orang yang mencuri jadi lebih sedikit. Tapi kalau Thomas di penjara, dia nggak mengubah bintangnya. Bintangnya nggak bisa dikembaliin juga. Gitu.
Oh gitu.
Akhirnya, karena there's no point, instead, they designed a punishment especially for him. Mereka mendesain hukuman yang khusus untuk dia, khusus untuk Thomas.
Oh gitu.
Jadi hukumannya adalah mereka mengirim Thomas ke extremely, bacanya extremely bukan extremely, tapi extremely.
Extremely, okay.
No, extreme, bukan extremely. Ini kan extreme dan ly ya, extremely.
Extremely.
Ya, extremely.
Extremely.
Me-nya nggak jelas.
Extremely.
No,
Extremely.
ya extremely. Extreme dan ly.
Oh, gitu.
Extremely.
The extremely large telescope in Paranal in Chile.
Ya,
Chile
ini
bener Chile,
Chile.
Miss?
Chile. Nama
Chile.
tempat, ya.
In
Chile.
Chile.
Oke. Akhirnya dikirim ke kayak apa ya, yang kayak di Bandung itu, namanya apa sih? Yang untuk melihat bintang di angkasa. Nobody use the telescope now. Karena udah nggak ada orang yang pakai juga, nggak ada turis juga. Karena kan nggak ada apa-apa, nggak ada bintang di angkasa. And then the red ball has gone exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds after it actually went behind the Earth. Earth. Bacanya Earth.
Behind the Earth.
Ya, behind the
TH-nya
Earth.
nggak kelihatan ya, Miss ya?
Ya, TH-nya kan jadi kayak tak gitu. Behind the Earth.
Behind the Earth.
Ya. It's actually went behind the Earth. Sorry, the Earth. Karena ini vokal the Earth.
The Earth. Behind the Earth.
Okay, Thomas was almost happy to know that the laws of physics remained the same. Remained the same. Tetap sama.
Remained the same.
Okay. Jadi dia akhirnya diasingkan ke teleskop yang besar itu, extremely large telescope.
Extremely large. Extremely large.
Ya, extremely. Karena dia dari kata ekstrim tambahin ly. Ini kan kita bacanya ekstrim bukan ekstremi ya. Ekstrim.
Okay.
Extreme
Extremely.
dan
Extremely.
extremely. Ya, extremely.
Extremely. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, and then next paragraph.
Next paragraph. High in the mountains of Chile, Thomas continued to watch the night sky. With the enormous telescope, he looked at the same place in the empty sky every night, even though there was nothing to see. And each day, as the sun went down, he thought of the song his parents sang to him as a child. Starlight, star bright, for star eyes tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I was tonight. For 1596 black night, nearly 4.5 years, there was no change to the night sky. But that was okay. It didn't mean his idea was wrong. Thomas talked about the darkness he had created. He imagined it like a wave that had passed the sun. Now, maybe it was continuing out toward the edge of our galaxy and further to the stars. It would take 1596 nights to pass the nearest stars. It would take 1596 more nights for the stars light to come back to Earth. If the wave was real, of course, if his ideas were correct. If he was wrong, the stars were really gone forever. And then one night,
Oke,
and then
ini dulu sampai
oh
sini dulu
yeah,
aja.
okay,
Oke,
okay.
bentar ya. Ini dikit juga. Thomas continued. Continued.
Continued,
Ya.
continued,
Continued.
continued.
Meneruskan, melanjutkan.
Mm.
He thought. Tadi
Thought,
bacanya apa? Thought kan?
talk, yeah.
Ya, yang benar thought.
Thought.
Jadi ini GH-nya nggak dibaca ya, GH-nya. Karena kita baru belajar,
He
GH-nya nggak
thought,
dibaca. He thought. Jadi tinggal
he thought,
THOUT. He thought.
he thought,
Ya, gitu. He thought.
he thought.
Pakai TH, pakai tha, bukan pakai
He,
S.
yeah,
S
thought.
jelas pakai. Ya,
He
he thought.
He
Terus
thought,
nih ada T-nya. Jadi kayak ditekan. He thought.
he thought,
Thought.
he thought, he
Lebih
thought,
ke O ya, bukan A.
he
He thought.
he thought of the song his parents
He thought of the song his parents sang. Sing, sang,
sang,
sang. Sang.
sing,
Ya,
sang.
ya,
He
sang.
thought of the song his parents sang to him as a child.
Yeah, he thought of the song his parents sang to him as a child.
He thought of the song his parents sang to him as a child.
Oke. Terus ini itu saat 1596 ya, 1596. Kalau misalnya besar ini bukan year, bukan
Mhm.
apa? Bukan tahun, itu nggak boleh disingkat 1596.
Oh gitu.
Nggak
Jadi
boleh
tetap
karena
1000
ini
gitu, Miss.
harus 1596.
96. Oh gitu.
Karena ini satu
1000.
apa nominal bukan bukan
Bukan
year,
tahun ya.
bukan tahun.
Oke, oke.
1596. Oke, ini continuing out.
Continuing
It was continuing out towards the edge of our
the
galaxy.
age.
Ya,
Wave-nya itu ya?
wave.
Wave.
Ya, kayak microwave.
Oh yeah, microwave. If the wave was real, of course.
Ya, wave ya. Oke, tinggal ini doang ternyata. Dilanjutkan.
And then one night 1996 nights later, almost 9 years after that terrible day, Thomas looked up from his telescope. There's Alpha Centauri twinkling back at him from the night sky. The first star. He felt stars in his eyes. and he made a wish. And he imagined millions of other people were making their wishes too. Story written by Andrew Leon Hudson and adapted by Nicola Prentice.
Okay, yeah. It's really science fiction. I didn't really get it because I'm not into physics. Tapi ini kayak ada hubungannya sama umur bintang gitu sih. Kayaknya ada hubungannya. But I didn't really get it. I didn't know about it. So yeah, but it's quite interesting story. Oke. Di sini tears ya, bukan tadi apa bacanya? Star.
Tears,
Kayaknya
tears.
salah baca. Ya, tears bacanya.
He
He felt tears.
He felt tears in his eyes.
Mm-mm.
And he made a wish. Wish apa wish nih?
Wish itu adalah hope sama. Hope. Apa
Oh
hope?
gitu, wish. Harapan.
Iya, harapan. Doa harapan.
He made a wish. And he imagined millions of other people were making their wishes too.
Mm-mm.
Jadi
Iya.
dia berharap bahwa orang-orang juga akan berharap seperti itu, akan berdoa seperti itu.
Iya,
Gitu
banyak
nggak sih,
berdoa
Miss?
seperti dia. And he imagined kan dia and he made a wish and he imagined millions of people were making their wishes too. Jadi dia membayangkan jutaan orang di dunia juga sedang were making their wishes too. Sedang berdoa, sedang membuat harapan seperti dirinya.
Iya sih. Masih no?
Gitu. Okay. Yeah, so okay. So we have read a whole story just now and we have the task to do here. Ada ini ya, ada tugas yang mengecek apakah kita paham atau tidak. Oh, ini tentang put the events from the story in the correct order. Artinya apa?
Mana, Miss?
Ini sekarang ada task, ada tugas yang mengecek apakah kita paham tentang ceritanya atau tidak. Ini ada put the events from the story in the
Oh,
correct
ya.
order. Apa artinya?
Put the event from the story in the correct order. Maksudnya ini tuh benar apa salah kalimat di bawah ini? Gitu nggak sih, Miss?
Bukan. Jadi put the events in the correct order artinya urutkan kejadian dari cerita ini dengan urutan yang tepat. Correct order, urutan yang tepat. In the
Oh,
correct
gitu.
order. Jadi kita ngurutin jalan ceritanya.
Oh, gitu.
Oke, berarti yang pertama apa kira-kira? Nomor 1, permulaan cerita.
Thomas starts the experiment.
Ya, Thomas start the experiment. Oke. Habis itu?
Bentar.
Kira-kira habis dia eksperimen apa yang terjadi?
Right. Thomas. Everything goes dark for a moment.
Ya, everything goes dark for a moment.
Everything goes dark for a
Tiba-tiba
moment.
gelap
Tiba-tiba gelap.
untuk sesaat.
People are confused and afraid.
People are confused and afraid.
The
Mana?
sun and moon come back, but the stars do not.
Yang ini dulu atau people are confused and afraid dulu?
Wait.
Habis gelap apa kira-kira yang terjadi?
The sun and moon come back, but the stars do not. So people
Iya.
confused and afraid.
Berarti Apa berarti the sun and moon dulu?
Ya, the moon
Ini habis
dulu.
itu baru people are confident and afraid. Oke. Then
And then Thomas is charged with a crime.
Thomas is charged with a crime.
Thomas says that he is guilty. So Thomas goes to work at a large telescope in Chile.
Oke, in Chile.
Chile, sorry. Yang Alpha Centauri. Oh ya, yang terakhir
Ya, yang terakhir ya.
Thomas is Alpha
Thomas is
Centauri.
Oke, Thomas is Alpha Centauri. Oke, nah ini kebalik ya. Jadi dia takut
Oke.
dulu orang-orangnya. Kan begitu
People
jadi gelap, terus mereka ketakutan, mereka keluar dulu. Mereka keluar dari bangunan. Mereka bingung apa yang terjadi. Habis itu baru yang ini.
The sun and moon come back, but stars
Ya,
do not.
oke. Jika mereka takut karena tiba-tiba gelap semua. Oke. Oke, we will move to the next task. Are the sentence true or false? Jadi ini apakah benar sesuai fakta ceritanya atau tidak? The first one.
The aim of Thomas' experiment was to hide the stars. Maksudnya the aim of Thomas' experiment tujuan gitu, Miss?
Iya, aim itu goal, tujuan. Tujuan eksperimen Thomas adalah untuk menyembunyikan bintang. True or false?
False.
Iya, false.
False, karena Thomas tuh mau how the universe began.
Iya, it was an accident. Ya, itu kecelakaan. And then?
Thomas understood what happened when the machine started working. False. Thomas don't understand, kan, Miss?
When the machine start working. Oke, kita false. And then?
After about 20 minutes, they could see the sun again. True?
Could see. Could see.
Could see. They could see the sun again.
Yeah, they could see the sun again. True or false?
True.
Okay, and
then in court, Thomas said he planned to steal the star. Still.
In court, Thomas said he had planned. He had planned to steal the stars. Dia punya
False.
rencana untuk mencuri bintang. Ya, false.
But people want Thomas to go to prison. True? Thomas arrived in Chile with no hope. Wait. True? True nggak, Miss? Thomas arrived in Chile with no hope.
Apa true or false? Kira-kira.
Kan teleskopnya sudah lama nggak terpakai sih.
Karena nggak ada orang, nggak ada turis.
Nggak ada orang, nggak ada turis.
Tapi apa yang dia lakukan selama seribuan malam itu?
Dia selalu melihat matahari tenggelam.
Mencari bintang. Dia mencari bintang kan? Berarti with no hope, true or false?
False berarti.
Okay,
False.
then?
Dia berharap ada bintang ya berarti. The problem with Thomas' idea was that it needed a long time to prove right or wrong. Maksudnya gimana ya, Miss? Masalah dari ide Thomas.
Kan Thomas meyakini kalau bintang itu nggak hilang. Dia tetap ada. Tapi the idea need long time to prove.
Tapi dia nggak ngerti membuktikannya gimana gitu.
Idenya itu atau komentarnya itu harus dibuktikan dalam butuh waktu yang lama untuk dibuktikan. Gitu.
Oh gitu ya, true.
Ya, true. Okay.
Apart from the sun, Alpha Centauri is the nearest star to Earth. Bagian dari matahari
No, apart from the sun, selain matahari, artinya gitu. Selain matahari.
Apakah bintang terdekat di bumi?
Hmm.
Twinkling in the night sky. True?
True. Oke, coba kita cek. Oke. Ya, people wanted Thomas to go prison. Yang ingin Thomas ke penjara tuh kayaknya prosecutionnya.
Penuntut
Jadi
umumnya.
penuntut umumnya. Gitu.
Oke.
Yang lain benar. Oke, great ya. Udah bagus ya, Kak Titik, untuk pembacaannya bagus, pengertiannya juga bagus. Kemarin ini diartiin satu-satu atau kayak cuma nyari kata-kata yang bingung aja?
Enggak diartiin satu-satu sih, Miss. Lama sekali kalau satu-satu. Jadi kayak
Mm-mm.
yang apa decide punishment tuh apa kayak
Oh
gitu-gitu
gitu.
sih.
Ya berarti kayak maksudnya nyari vocab-vocab yang bingung aja ya.
Heeh.
Oke, ya. Oke, overall bagus, udah bagus. Kosakatanya juga udah bagus, berarti tinggal emang dibiasakan untuk speaking aja. Itu nggak apa-apa. Kalau misalnya di rumah, sering kayak ngomong pakai bahasa Inggris nggak?
Enggak dong, Miss. Kan anak saya masih kecil.
Soalnya banyak yang ikut les malah bilang, oh pengen ngajarin anak, jadi kayak mereka ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris di rumah. Misalnya
Iya sih.
pagi hari kayak gitu, ngomong bahasa Inggris.
Enggak sih, paling cuma about color sih.
Oh, buat
Sama
color.
sama apa namanya, kid song kayak Here I am kayak gitu.
Hmm. Oke, ini ada video bagus tips tentang Inggris. Gimana cara kita membiasakan diri kita ngomong bahasa Inggris? Karena Kak Titi ini udah bagus bisa menerjemahkan secara natural dari bahasa Inggris ke Indonesia. Jadi sebenarnya udah cukup ngerti skill pasifnya tuh udah oke gitu. Tinggal kita latih untuk aktifnya, yaitu speaking.
Hmm.
Okay, so I hope in the next meeting we can actively talk in English, maybe about another story or about something that you want to talk about. Gitu. Jadi untuk yang tadi, yang reading section ini gimana opininya?
Enak sih, bagus.
Ya, kira-kira untuk besok, untuk pertemuan yang akan datang kita mau reading lagi atau kita coba speaking dulu?
Boleh speaking.
Speaking ya. Mungkin kalau speaking enakan kita ada satu topik yang dibicarakan gitu. Kira-kira
Like
mau
elephant story yesterday.
elephant story, oh maybe about the wildlife ya, tentang animal-animal gitu ya. Nanti Kak Titi mungkin bisa eh apa bisa apa namanya mengumpulkan cerita dulu atau misalnya nemu video atau misalnya nemu website yang bacanya bagus nanti bisa dibawa besok kita omongin bareng-bareng gitu.
Oke, boleh.
Atau cuma general knowledge juga boleh, yang penting kita ada temanya. Oke,
Ada topiknya gitu ya, Miss ya. Halo?
tomorrow, right? We will the class will be full. The class will be full for conversation. So I hope you can prepare yourself. Go check the video that I sent you. I just sent you through WA. I hope it's helped and see you tomorrow. Bye bye Kak Titi. Thank you so
Oke,
much.
Miss. Thank you.